Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the chapter isotopes and some common questions that come from this chapter. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Isotopes. Isotopes are elements having similar atomic number but different mass number. So what are differing is their mass number. For example, write down hydrogen 1 1, hydrogen 2 1, hydrogen 3 1. All of them have got similar atomic number but different mass number. Another example is your carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. Also, you can remember this chlorine atom which has got two different isotopes. Okay, this version of or this isotope of hydrogen is known as protium. Protium, this is deuterium, and this is tritium. Okay, so what differs is the mass number in all the three cases. Next, which subatomic particle varies in case of isotopes? Okay, isotopes have got different mass number, so the number of neutrons is going to vary. Subatomic particle basically indicates your proton, electron and neutron. Now, just as we have seen right now that the number of mass, the mass number is going to vary in all the three cases, right? So, mass number different means subatomic particle is mass number minus atomic number is your number of neutrons. When the mass number is different, then the number of neutron is different because proton and electron have got the same value, that is equal to the atomic number. So, only it is the number of neutrons that is going to vary in the three cases. Why do isotopes have got similar chemical properties but different physical properties? Okay, see, isotopes have got similar atomic number, right? But they have got different mass number. Now, atomic number same means you have got similar number of electrons, and the fact is that chemical properties are going to depend on the number of electrons only or the electronic configuration. See, when the number of electrons are similar, your electronic configuration is also similar. If you don't know how to find out electronic configuration, then please check out the description box. I'll give you the link below. So, electronic configuration same means number of electron is only same. So, when the number of electron is same, electronic configuration same, and also the chemical properties are going to be similar because the electronic configuration depends on the chemical properties only. So, when that is similar, your chemical properties will be similar, but they have got different physical properties. Why? Because the mass number depends on, the mass number is the one that depends on your physical property. So, when you have got different mass number, your physical properties will also vary accordingly. Next question. Okay, name the isotope of hydrogen having no neutrons. Hydrogen isotopes are very common question. 1 1, 2 1, hydrogen 3 1. Which one has got no neutrons? Means the subtraction value is going to be equal to 0. So, this is the isotope of hydrogen, that is your protium. Protium has got no neutrons. In this case, 1 neutron. In this case, 2 neutrons. In which of the following pairs do both atoms have got same number of neutron? Okay, very easy. 15 minus 7. Basically, subtracting this mass number from atomic number gives you the number of neutrons. So, just calculate the value in all the cases. This is 8. This will be 7. Here 15 minus 7 is 8, 16 minus 8 is 8. So, this is the right answer. Next question. Why is the mass number of chlorine atom fractional? Okay. Okay. See, chlorine has got two isotopes. One is having mass number 35, the other is 3770. Now, the thing is, this chlorine atom has got abundance of almost 75% and this has 25%. In order to find out the total value of these two isotopes, we have to basically multiply it with the abundance. 75 by 100 into 35 plus 37 into 25 by 100. This value is going to be fractional, that is equal to 35.5. This is known as relative mass number calculation. So, by using this 2 value and the abundance of the 2 isotope, we can find out the actual mass number, which is going to be fractional only in case of chlorine, and this is happening because of the 2 isotopes which are present in case of chlorine atom. Okay.